we use as is this my first game. We use all the these games until Dunăivareș to adapt myself to the team, also to feel the players. So it is one game in the road for until Dunăivareș. So we don't have too much time for meet each other between us, but we are using all this kind of situation to be better and to raise up our shape.
Now you have a very difficult game against Bulgarmenian.
Yes. Nothing. We have 2-3 days rest, and we are waiting Bulgarmeni. So it will be one of the how we say the main checking before the Dunăivareș.
Which games are more difficult from men to Iran or our game?
Listen, like a professional, I didn't think about this, but the women's I see they are serious, so I don't think so. It will be some kind of problem.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.